Ask 10 people what's the best machine for a full-body home workout, and I bet none of them will come up with a vertical climber. This blows my mind, because for a total body workout, the vertical climber easily beats other cardio equipment like treadmills, ellipticals and even rowing machines. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vertical climbers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Real Life Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. The Real Life Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber is a budget climbing machine that, for its comparatively low price, offers a surprising amount of value. This climber combines two different mechanical systems to reduce friction in the up and down motion. The combination gives the machine a longer life than similar personal use models. Although this climber has a rated maximum weight capacity of 260 pounds, people who weigh up to around 300 pounds have reported having no problems. Manufacturers usually state a lower weight capacity to keep it safe, but it seems the real-life climber is quite stable. It is sturdy, smooth, and durable. It is easy to assemble and easy to fold up when necessary. This climber comes with only 5 main parts. These include the main torso of the machine, the 2 floor stabilizers, and the 2 vertical arm poles. It takes about 20 minutes to assemble. The Real Life has 5 different height settings. These also double as difficulty settings. Numbers 1 and 2 feel like climbing stairs, height 3 to 5 feel like climbing a mountain. Number 2. Maxi Climber, the original patented vertical climber. The Maxi Climber comes almost ready to use, there are just a few parts to connect. The Maxi Climber may also wobble a bit if you set it up on a plush carpet. It is best used on a solid surface. If you are heavier than the recommended weight capacity of 240 pounds, a simple workaround you can do is to weigh down the base with a heavy object, which will prevent any rocking motion. To fold up your Maxi Climber, all you have to do is remove the pin from the floor crossbar. The crossbar will bend upward, allowing the machine to collapse in half vertically. You can then reinsert the pin to keep it folded. It is easy to store the machine in an upright position in a closet or horizontally under the bed. Number 3. Maxi Climber XL 1000 with hydraulic resistance. The Maxi Climber is by far the most well-known and popular vertical climber machine for home. The Maxi Climber comes almost ready to use, there are just a few parts to connect. The classic model is 36 inches long, 22 inches wide and 79 inches tall. It weighs 34 pounds. It is folding and has a maximum user weight capacity of 240 pounds. At only 22 inches wide, the Maxi Climber was also the narrowest machine that we reviewed. At 36 inches long, it tied with 3 other vertical climbers for shortest length. The Maxi Climber Classic is ideal for places where available space might be an issue. Although the Maxi Climber Classic has a sizable maximum weight capacity of 240 pounds, the machine weighs about as much as a backpack or a small dog. This machine is quite portable. If you have space constraints or would prefer to fold up and store your climber when you're not using it, this is the machine for you. Number 4. Best Choice Products Total Body 2-in-1 Vertical Climber. The 2-in-1 Total Body is a hybrid workout machine that is a stationary exercise bike, combined with a vertical climber. The main advantage of this machine is the variety you can add to your workout. It's a great machine, or should we say machines, on its own, and a fantastic addition to a home gym. If you're the kind of person who gets bored quickly, it may help you to add a second exercise to your home routine with this climber combo. Adding a cardio workout that allows you to remain seated can help you stay active while doing tasks that require your hands. This machine can let you keep exercising while you answer emails or catch up on some reading. That is something that is very hard to do with the climbing motion, but is easy when you are in a stationary seated position on an exercise bike. Another great thing about the Total Body Climber is that 2 people can use it at once. This machine is designed to take the weight of 2 average people. Number 5. Cocker Vertical Climber Fitness Climbing Cardio Machine. The Cocker is the cheapest vertical climber we've seen that is still worth the money. If you want a vertical climber that costs as little as possible but won't fall apart under your feet, the Cocker checks both boxes. The best thing about this machine is that it doesn't sacrifice quality despite its very low price tag. You might think this climber is cheap due to inferior materials or poor structure, but surprisingly that is not the case. The reason why this vertical climber is so inexpensive is due to its minimalistic no-frills design. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.